Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing this package I got myself for Christmas. It was such a struggle to pull this out of the box. This is a China exclusive B and Head Collection Volume 1 RX78-2 Gundam from Bandai Namco. I think there's a higher model with metallic color that costs a couple $100 more, but I'm happy with this one. This is released in October this year, and it didn't take me too long to find this in the local hobby store. I thought it's supposed to be brand new and sealed, but when I see this tape, I realize it's been open. And this comes with the special water decals and menu set. The head comes with a light-up gimmick and it requires 3 AA batteries, which is not included. The whole thing is made out of plastic and is pretty lightweight. The head with the base is approximately 47 cm tall, and without the base is 37.5. And there's a hidden light switch that took me a while to figure out. It took me a long night to apply all these water decals. It was a lot harder than I expected, and my camera tripod was not high enough to show you guys in a better angle. Everyone's been asking if this is a helmet, and I've seen someone showing how to unscrew the whole internal part and cut off the protruding peg, then you can put it on. Hope you guys liked my video today, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in the next one.